Hello guys, I'm Anna. Welcome to our English class at Solovov School. In the previous series, you worked with the infinitive. Now you know how to say that you want or would like to be, to have, or to do something. In this series, we'll be working with some new words. Let's take a look at them in the sentences and decide why we need them. He's not healthy, but he smokes a lot. He's not healthy, however, he smokes a lot. He's not healthy, though he smokes a lot. So, we use such words as but, however, and though to connect two sentences and to show the contrast between them. That's why they are called connectors of contrast. However is the most formal, while but is the least formal. Another important thing is comma. Use it before the connector. Let's take a look at some other linking words. He has a problem. That's why he is drunk. He is drunk because he has a problem. Look at the first sentence. What happened first? He has a problem or he's drunk? Right, he has a problem. So, it's the reason why he's drunk. When you start a sentence with a reason, use that's why. What about the second sentence? We already know that he has a problem is the reason, and he's drunk is the result. When you start a sentence with the result, use because. That's why and because are the connectors of cause and effect. Let's take a look at the last group of words and decide why we use them. They are 65 and they work a lot. They are 65. Besides, they work a lot. Do we contrast ideas? No. Do we give reasons? No. We use and or besides to add some more information. That's why they are called connectors of addition. Let's look at all the sentences again. What cards do you see here? Different. Green, brown, blue. So, to combine different cards, we use connectors. At Solovov School, we call them red words or red line. Great! Practice makes us perfect. Look at the pictures and choose the best connector to combine two sentences. I'm not hungry. I have some food. We have two contrastive ideas, so you can use any of the words from the first column. I'm not hungry, however, I have some food. I'm not hungry, though I have some food. I'm not hungry, but I have some food. She cooks a lot. He always wants to eat. She cooks a lot is the result. He always wants to eat is the reason. When we start a sentence with the result, we use because. She cooks a lot because he always wants to eat. You would like to have some money. You work a lot. As you can see, we start the sentence with the reason why you work a lot. We need to use that's why in this sentence. You would like to have some money. That's why you work a lot. We have a friend. He's 20. The information about the friend is additional, so we have to use the words from the third column. We have a friend and he's 20. We have a friend, besides, he's 20. That's it. Thanks for watching. For more practice, follow the link below and subscribe to our channel. Bye!